Hello, welcome. Now I'm going to show you how to resolve sound problem in Windows 10. First, you are going to here, then just type service, then open. After this, going to W Windows to resolve the problem. Windows Audio, Windows Audio, then come to here, then after that you are click on restart. Do you want to restart the service? Yes.